Hi, my name is Dylan Waldner, and this is my effective analysis mini-speech. My topic is electronic textbooks and how I'm trying to persuade people to use them over traditional textbooks. And the main point that I will be covering is the interactiveness of electronic textbooks compared to traditional textbooks. Interaction. One of the many benefits of living in a generation that offers so many types of technology and methods of communication. Electronic textbooks do not fall short in the department of interaction, while offering many different tools to help college students succeed in their classes. When first diving into the world of electronic textbooks, many people might be overwhelmed with the thought of moving away from traditional textbooks that they probably grew up with all their life and moving onto a platform that may be different and unfamiliar to them. However, not only does electronic textbooks offer a very in-depth and interactive textbook portion, but it also comes with many other tools and study tools that will aid students in their learning. As opposed to traditional textbooks, electronic textbooks offer a variety of study tools and different methods to help students grow in their field. Navigating, highlighting, and interactive hyperlinks are only three tools that make electronic textbooks very easy to dive into. What navigation does is allow students to simply type in a keyword and allow them to go right into the textbook of all the different places that that word may be found. Highlighting works very similar to how it would in a traditional textbook by allowing students to just highlight a passage, but what makes it better in an electronic textbook is that it allows students to go into the database of all the different things they highlighted and click on them individually to find that portion of the text where they highlighted that. And also, interactive hyperlinks are another thing that many students do not necessarily use as much with electronic textbooks, but it is still very useful. A lot of times electronic textbooks will offer hyperlinks of YouTube videos or many different interactive programs or to just different web links to allow students to go to different websites to maybe do further research or just allow a different perspective on the same topic. Now, not only is the actual text easy to use and interactive, but there are also many different tools that come with the package of the e-textbook that may be useful for students. Now, according to a 2013 article from the Communication Teacher Journal written by Karen Dwyer, many health science programs are moving strictly to electronic text because of the ability to do online interactive activities such as labs or other study guides. Now, personally, I am a health science student studying nursing, and I have personal experience using these online electronic textbooks, and I find them to be very useful in my own career. I find it easier to sit down on my computer in my bedroom as opposed to going out to the campus, to a lab, to look at perhaps different bones in anatomy class or different elements on the periodic table. I find it easier and more convenient to just sit down at my computer and to do all these things on my own. Also, there are other things available such as study guides which may prove to be very useful to help with exams, online quizzes which are also very useful, and all of these things together make the package a true bang for your buck.